So here in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about 3D printing. So just as a run through here, I'm going to tell you guys where I'm going. So I'm going to go to the show data panel and pick something I've already drawn. This is some of the stuff I've drawn. I don't save everything when I do these videos, but this is some stuff I've drawn previous. I'm going to click on this one because it's one of my more interesting drawings. Not the most complex, but I do make some things that are a little more complex than this. It's just something I saved for a project. So, as a little bit of background, in 2017, I placed on the animatronics team for TSA with Jake Grimm, Hunter Dubs, and Grace Hardy. We didn't have to, but we chose to build a animatronic bear named Billy. So this was a piece for his arms to make his arms rotate. So along with this piece, I made these pieces here, and these ones get attached onto here to make the arm joints. So this was a nice piece here. And you can see I want to talk a little bit about the fillets while I'm here because this was something that interested me when I did it and I didn't think it would do. I put a fillet on this and on this, and it actually brought this together, and it meshed the two fillets together. So it brought this one down past and then butted it up against this fillet, which made a really nice model. Now in SketchUp, I don't know, that was the previous programs that we used. So filleting was a little bit harder in SketchUp, and it didn't look as nice. And also 3D printing was a little bit more clunky with SketchUp because you had to get an STL downloader. Now on this, if you want to 3D print something, it's literally this simple. You go to the Make button, you hit 3D print, you have a selection arrow, you literally select everything, and then you uncheck this check mark and hit OK, and you're ready to 3D print. So it's here. I'm not going to save this one because I already have like 17 of these things saved. So it comes up, as I said, in STL, and this thing is ready to 3D print. You just get yourself a flash drive, and you're ready to go. So you put that in your 3D printing program, and you go. One more thing I want to address while I'm here. I said about this slider, which is really cool to play with. So you can see, like, if I keep sliding this thing back, I'm going through the steps here. And you can see different, things that I've done with the project. So that's kind of what it started as here. Actually, it started as a circle. And one other thing I want to say while I'm talking about this, like, if I wanted to draw another circle in the center of this circle, right now I could, and then when I go back to here, it will, if I go back to here, it will be there. Like, I would have the circle in the circle back here. So there will be a circle in that bottom circle back here at this step. It changes the drawing as you modify it in the previous steps, which is really, really handy. But yeah, so as I said, 3D printing is a breeze with this, and yeah. So I'm going to come back with one more video about laser cutting and kind of just a wrap up, and we'll go from there. Thank you.